For example 4 here, we need to graph this ellipse. We're going to label the center, foci, and then all the vertices. So let's figure out the center for this one to begin with. Our center looks to be 0, 0. There is no h and k up there. So we'll be at 0, 0. If you want to, you can go ahead and plot that. Doesn't matter when you do it, but it's nice to do when we find our foci and the vertices. So we need to know a, b, and c. And if we take a look at this, we've got a squared being 25, so a is 5. B squared is 16, so b is 4. And then to find c, we just need to take the square root of 25 minus 16 in this case. So c will be the square root of 9, which is just 3. We need to also understand which direction the major axis is. If you look at the bigger number, it's underneath y, so it's totally going to be in this direction. I would recommend then, at this time, going from the center, using a being 5, going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could begin to label these. So this is 0, negative 5. And this is 0, 5. The foci are going to be up 1, 2, 3, and then down 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go left and right by 4 here from the center, so that'll give us our minor axis vertices. These guys, we said we're going to be at 4, 0, and negative 4, 0. The center, of course, is at 0, 0. It's kind of labeled already here. If you wanted to put 0, 0 somewhere in here, you could, but it's a little bit cluttered. So as long as you can find that and then actually put the point where it's supposed to be, that's what we're looking for there. Now, ellipses are notoriously hard to, just like circles, are hard to draw. So you can just do the best you can. It's nice to get a good rounded shape, and you'll learn after you do a few of them, you'll get better and better. And before you know it, you'll be drawing some fairly good ellipses. If we wanted to label these points here would be 0, 3 for that guy, and then 0, negative 3, those are the foci for that guy. If you wanted to put like a little F or something, just to indicate that you know where the foci are, and like a V or something, that's fine as well. As long as you're able to find the actual points that those go through. And I'd like for you to be able to actually, put the point there before you draw it. So please don't just graph this in your graphing calculator and kind of get close. We want to be a little bit more precise than that. And this is, of course, the center. So I suppose if you want to put a C there, you could put a C there. Well, it says label the center, foci, and all vertices, graph it. Looks like we're all finished.